Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to type this symbol in MS Word. So guys, if you want to this symbol type in MS Word, so very easy. Firstly click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol. Type character code 00E1. After click on insert, click on close. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Firstly click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol. Type character code 00E1. After click on insert and click on close. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to change color, so click here. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.